beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I attach an elastic band to my wigs. So this elastic band, I got it from Amazon. It's pretty stretchy and solid to me, so I'm glad I got that. And the one I got is the one that has like the adjustable strap on it, and you can actually take it out and put it back together. So if you want to sew in your wig, you have the option to take it apart and sew it onto your wig, or just have it on there together and then sew it onto your wig. Whatever works for you is good. So for me, I actually use my Singer machine to do that, and I use the zigzag stitch. And as you can see, I'm just showing you the inside of my wig. So what I did not sew the elastic band right around the closure as I've seen other people do. So I went down a little bit, and I counted like 3 to 4 tracks down, or where I had like a little more space, and then I sewed the elastic back in between that. So you can sew it whatever position you want, but this is what works for me, so that is what I did. As you can see right now, I'm just doing the placement, just showing you where I'll be sewing the wig, the elastic band onto the wig, sorry. And one thing I would like you to know, and you will see somewhere in the video, once you are done sewing the elastic band, sometimes the thread will get caught up with some of the hair. So what you can do, you can use a comb, a needle, or your fingers to pull the hair out. It's pretty easy. So that is what I did, and then I just sewed the elastic band. As you can see, that's the placement, like to have a straight elastic band placement. I just assume like a circle motion, kind of a semicircle if you want to say, and I just place that on both sides of the wig. That way what I did on the other side is the same thing on the other side. So I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.